So I would like to just share certain things. What are the important, I would like this to be an interactive session. So what are the key issues in our lives? Could somebody just share? What is that is important? मतलब सबको क्या चाहिए? Money, very good, wonderful. Money is health, yes. And
coffee and pakoda.
Sorry?
Coffee and pakoda.
Yes.
That is being fulfilled now.
A good time. Can we say a good time? Like you want to have good time with friends and family. So money, I would say broadly speaking, three things are very important in life. One is money. You wanted to say, sir?
Since I raised my hand, I will say hi to Anup.
Okay. Contentment, yeah.
Good relationships.
Good relationships, yeah. So somebody, you said it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good relationships, health, money, happiness. So broadly speaking, 4 categories. Vacation. Vacations are also important.
Health.
Health is very important. Anybody dealing with health issue here?
All of us are.
All of us?
One way or the
Something or the other?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So what impacts health? What? Wonderful. Wonderful. State of mind. So our thoughts have an impact on our mind. So what thoughts should we have such that our body is healthy and happy? Positive thoughts. Everybody is talking about having positive thoughts, but are we really aware about having positive thoughts? How to have positive thoughts in a negative environment? Isn't our environment around us negative? Is it negative or positive?
It depends
It depends on how you perceive it. It's a matter
Yeah.
of perception.
And how do we perceive mostly? How do we really perceive it mostly?
Oh, we are bombarded with negative.
Yes, we are bombarded with negative. Yeah, most of the times.
Depends how much we let it hit us,
Yeah.
or how much protection we give.
But we are in a sea of negativity around us. And we are trying to keep afloat by trying to think positive. But are we able to think positive? We are not able to think positive despite our efforts. So what is the best way to achieve good health? How can we achieve good health? How can we achieve good health and good relationships? Any answers?
By working on it.
How?
If you are feeling low,
Yeah.
you can change your thoughts to positivity.
Right.
And you can change your
Yeah.
health.
So are you able to do that, sir, by yourself? Are you able to do that by yourself?
You see, when you are surrounded by the people of the negative thoughts,
Yeah.
they always say like this, the Modi is saying this, the government is saying, the monetization is this.
Right.
Then you have to protect yourself from that thought.
Right.
So that is the then how can you protect your thoughts?
Right.
Because from that is the inside.
Right.
You have to start something from the inside
Right.
to stop that thought.
Right. So there are basic, in Reiki there are basic 5 principles that can prevent us from being unhappy in life or being healthy and happy in life. So what are those 5 principles? First principle is just for today I will not be angry, not being angry. You know, anger produces certain kind of chemicals in our body that upsets us. So in the morning is the best time when you can create your whole day. If you want to create a happy, healthy, somebody said that happiness is very important. So in the morning when you get up, your subconscious mind is very, very active. So in the morning, if you just declare to yourself, just for today, I will be happy, or just for today, I will not be angry. I will be peaceful the whole day. So come what may, आप गाड़ी drive कर रहे हैं, somebody is overtaking from the wrong side, and if you are declaring in the morning that I will not be angry, तो वो आपको बार-बार क्लिक करेगा कि somebody is overtaking from the wrong side, I will not be angry. तो वो thought अगर आपने morning में अपने आप को दे दी है that you will not be angry, so you will be able to help yourself. That thought will remain throughout your day. In the morning, whatever thought you pick up in the morning stays with you. Morning is the most important time. So you can pick up a thought like just for today I will not be angry. The second principle of Reiki is just for today I will not worry. Most of the times, what are we doing? Worrying about the past or worrying about the future. Past में this person did this to me. उसने ऐसा करा, मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया, मैंने कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं खरीदी. So had I bought that property property. At that time, you know, I would have been so rich. How many of us think like that about the property thing?
All the time.
All the time. All the time.
Everybody.
So, regretting, you know, about the past. So, past is history and future is mystery. You have to live in the present. Chitna chita saman hai. So, in the morning, if you pick up this thought that I will not worry, I will not think about the property that I did not buy, rather than how can I buy? If you focus on what you can do now, so that is the power of now. Instead of regretting about the past, if you start thinking about the present and the future, that I'm going to take this action in the future, you can create that. And remember, morning is the best time to declare. If you want a property, and how many of us would want a new property? All of us? All of us? No? So morning, and you want to really manifest it?
So that way you all are content.
That is wonderful, sir. So morning is the best time to create that reality. In the morning, if you say that today, you know, I will work on, I am going to create a promise. So that time, if you say this positive affirmation, you will be able to create it, you will be able to manifest it. So the third principle is, just for today, I will do my work honestly. Whatever you have declared that you will do, complete it completely. You know, so when you complete your work on time, it gives you a lot of power in the present moment. Because most of the times, we are thinking in the head that I do this, I do this. How many of us procrastinate? I do, I still do. So everybody does. So procrastination leaves a little mark on us, you know, and that niggling thing that I didn't do, we start blaming ourselves for not doing things rather than talking about how can we do things. So rather than blaming, if you do your work honestly and again make a promise at night before going to sleep is another very powerful time. That okay, these were the things that I did and these are the things I'm going to do tomorrow. So after replace हो जाता है that energy that I didn't do, say I'm going to do it next time. So just for today I do my work honestly. Just for today I will be kind to every human being. That is the fourth law. So how many of us practice? I think everybody. At one time or another. Not all the time but most of the time. So when it's like a law of karma. When you are actually doing something good. It might be anything, you know. Maybe you see somebody poor and you are tipping that poor person. Or you are taking care of an animal. Or whatever little thing that you can do. Make a difference to this planet. Plant a tree. This is a very good time to plant a tree. So even planting trees is a very good karma. So create those. And fifth, and it is the best one that I love, which is attitude of gratitude. Can somebody share about what is gratitude?
Gratitude is what you have to thank to God.
Yeah.
You are enjoying your life, you are living wonderfully, and every day morning you see the sun rise and the
Yeah.
rise in the moon. And the wind is blowing, and you feel wind. Everything you are enjoying the nature.
Yes.
That is the gratitude. You cannot buy with the money.
Right.
That is money buy
both the sun and the moon together.
That's very,
Great.
that's rightly said, sir. Thank you. So, attitude of gratitude is like being grateful for what we have. Most of the times, our energy gets blocked on thinking what we don't have. Like, I don't have this, I don't have that.
Yeah.
My wife is not so pretty. My husband is not so handsome. My child is like, you know, not as brilliant. Usne IIT nahi kara, he's in a mediocre thing. So, you cannot change what is so. But you can change, you can be grateful for what we have. How many of us are grateful for having roads rather than the traffic?
road.
Roads rather than the traffic. None of us are aware. None of us are aware that 100 years back, Delhi must have been a jungle.
Yeah.
And you know, I'm coming from Ashok Vihar and in a car, in an AC car, and it's wonderful. Despite the traffic, you know, it was such an easy route for me. We are not present to the privileges of the present day. We take them so much for granted. You know, how many of us are aware that we have this wonderful electricity? Are we grateful for that? Do we thank electricity or do we thank the electric board or anybody? Do we ever think about them? Never. Yeah, but the people who created this, we are most of the time cribbing. How many of us crib about the bills of the electricity? everybody. I do at times, not always, but whenever I'm aware, I find the bill. Because when you get a bill, what does it mean? What does
Part
it
with
mean?
something.
Sorry?
You have to part with some of your own things.
Yeah.
and you give
Yeah, but who does the bill come to? Who does the bill come to?
My dad.
Us, a rich person who can afford it. The bill is coming to a person who can afford it.
Everybody has to pay.
Everybody has to pay.
When the bill is raised, we have to pay. Otherwise, it will be.
See, it is about have to pay, or there are two ways to look at it. That I have to pay the bill, or I'm rich enough to pay the bill. Which one empowers us?
I'm rich enough to pay.
I'm quite, people have been affording electricity bills since I'm like 50 plus, so last 50 years I've always been able to pay. So, but I don't appreciate the power that I have to pay money. Most of us don't. We are not even aware of it. Most of us say that I have to pay the bill. But just imagine if you had to build a dam for yourself. If you had to employ thousands and thousands of people to build a dam, and you had to lay down all the electric wire, how much cost would it be? Any engineers here? Millions and trillions? Billions and trillions? I mean, in my lifetime, I cannot create that, a dam for myself. But somebody else, 100 years back or 50, I don't know exactly when it was, but somebody else, so many laborers are still working for me, giving me that privilege of having electricity in my home. So, is anybody thinking about what I'm saying? Are you with me, guys? Yeah. So can we be thankful for these little things? Thankful to the bill that you are getting. Just start practicing that because it makes you feel rich and prosperous. Whatever you have is like whenever you're paying the bill, rather than focusing on I have to pay this. मेरे जेब से जा रहा है, आपकी जेब से जा नहीं रहा, but आपकी जेब में है इसलिए आप पे करवा रहे हो. It makes you feel very powerful and you are able to appreciate yourself as a rich person. Because like attracts like. When you are thinking rich, you will attract being more rich. Have you heard of a book, Think and Grow Rich?
Napoleon Hill.
Napoleon Hill. Long time back, I had read this book and it made me thinking. And actually, I've been practicing this. And I've invented a course called Money Mantra course, and it is all about how you think good things about money and you start attracting more money. So when we are thinking lack, that मेरी जेब से जा रहा है, so that is lack consciousness. Lack is abhav. So all the time, although I have the money, but I'm not experiencing being rich and powerful. So when I'm focusing on that I am capable and I can pay my bills, and it's a privilege and honor for me. God has given me this ability to pay my bills. So when you bless your bills, you have the power of attracting more money to your bills. So if you have more bills, what does that mean? Next time when your bill is more, what does that mean? You are richer for sure.
That is the also phrase in Hindi, yeah, पूरा खर्चा बढ़ा.
Exactly. Exactly. In the they say कि यार पूरा खर्चा बता.
खर्चा बढ़ा.
खर्चा बढ़ा. Yeah, it makes sense because
आगे
it means everybody.
खर्चा बढ़ा तो हम भी बढ़ाएगा.
उसका तो बेस्ट विशेष की हे भगवान मेरा टैक्स बढ़ा.
Wonderfully said. Everybody is getting ready.
Tax बढ़ाना maybe you have to take the debt. No, but the tax बढ़ाना means
You are
income automatically.
contributing.
That's a much better way to say.
No, I would like to pay 3 crore tax.
Yes, that's right.
Everyone would.
I would like to pay 3 crore tax.
Everyone would.
So the
Then I have to ask 10 crore rupees like 10 crore tax.
Excuse me, ma'am, learned speaker. Now our friend raised a point. He said, I want to pay 3 crore tax.
Yeah.
So has
How?
he left it in the realm of want to pay
Yes,
millions
yes.
of years?
Yes.
So he has to say, I will
Yes.
pay 3 crore tax by the end of December
You are absolutely
2018.
right, sir.
Is
Thank you
it
for,
like-
yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for pointing out that.
you.
So it's true. What he said is true. It's like
This gentleman
This is the money money teacher.
brings about money, he makes money, and his company gives more
My
money.
money.
oh, wonderful.
money.
Yeah, what he said was very right. Instead of saying I want to pay 3 crores, you should in the body say I am paying or I will pay. Or it's better to say in a positive present tense. It is like I am paying or I have paid 3 crores. Because the universe understands the language of present tense, not the future can never come. So when you say I will come, I will is also in the future. I will also doesn't make sense. It is like I am paying in the present tense. I am paying 3 crores of tax. That means your income is increasing. If you say these affirmations continuously every day, 40 days to 3 months is the time to say the affirmation. You know, have you heard of law of attraction?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rhonda Byrne. Yeah, right. So, law of attraction says whatever thought you are being thinking all the time will manifest, and it matches with what our rishis and munis have been saying. Aham Brahmasmi. Anybody heard of this? Aham Brahmasmi means I am the creator of my own life. मैं ब्रह्म हूँ, मेरे अंदर ब्रह्म है. हम कहते हैं हम परमात्मा का अंश है. So all of us have a God within us. All of us have a creator within us. All of us have the ability to create. So whatever we have been thinking, all of us have, all of us are around 50 or 60. So we are what we have thought earlier. So can you relate it to your life? That you are, maybe, did you want to be the president? Of the So other people wanted to make you the president. Yeah. So, anything that, whosoever you are right now, so your thoughts have made you like that. Have you heard the story of Oliver and Wilbur Wright brothers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the story says that, when they were young and they used to see the birds flying, and they used to wonder, oh, what if the human beings could fly? And they started researching and aerodynamics and whatever, blah, blah, blah. They researched and they were able to create an aeroplane. Because human beings are capable of creating whatever they want, whatever they are committed to creating in life. Whatever might be the age. Yeah, like any age. There has been a lady called Louise Hay. Have you heard of Louise Hay? Anybody?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah. And she, at the age of 50 or 55, she got cancer. She healed her cancer.
Heal yourself.
You can heal your life. And she wrote a book that has been a bestseller. Most, a lot of people have read this book and transformed their life by reading this book. So at the age of 55, she began her career. At the age of 55. And she recently died at the age of 95 or so. She learned dancing at the age of 90. So, like living life fully and living a life you love. So age is no bar to whatever you want in life. It is like, being healthy is also in our hands. Most of us we say कि किस्मत है, ये है, वो है. It is because of the thinking patterns that we have created, whatever we have created in life. So, but we can take charge of our life for the future. So she says, whatever you think is creating your future. So whatever thoughts we have had till now are embedded in our body cells, and our body responds to those particular cells. Our body becomes that way. So every part of body is connected with a particular thought. तो मुहावरा होता है कि अरे इसकी कंधों पे तो बहुत बोझ है. Everybody has heard of that muhavra. And when a person feels burdened, so what happens is cervical. The shoulders start aching. So if a person feels burdened in life, will have cervical or shoulder ache. If a person starts thinking like, I'm alone, मैं घर में अकेला कमाने वाला हूँ, I'm doing all the work by myself, I'm alone. So what kind of disease do you think can be reduced with that thought?
No.
Loneliness is not a disease. Your spinal cord gets impacted. रीढ़ की हड्डी में कुछ बैक एक्स हो जाते हैं. A person who feels lonely in life, or feels कि मेरे को अकेले ही करना है, उसका जो है negative affirmation से back aches और ये सब हो जाते हैं.
How to change that affirmation?
Sorry?
How to change this affirmation?
Yeah, how to change is that the universe is supporting me. परमात्मा की help मेरे को मिल रही है and I am getting supported by people in
I
my
am
life.
capable of doing this with the grace of God.
I am supported.
I am supporting.
I am supported. When you feel unsupported, you will impact your back. So when you're saying that I am supported by, because all the time the universe is supporting us. Nobody can exist in, being solitary. So you might not be able to see it, but there are people who are helping us, who are supporting us. The universe is not in ताकत होगी जो हमें help करेगी. Seen and unseen both. Like I was sharing about electricity, that so many people have, we don't even know who are those people who created the dam for us. You know, Punjab side जो आता है, you might know. Bhakra Nangal Dam. So we don't know, it was built by Nehru ji in 50s and we are still getting electricity, they are still maintaining, and how we are hardly bothered about, how it is running. Nobody ever thinks about it.
That engineer name was Mr. Clear.
Yeah, whosoever. And most of us, I don't know the name of that person, but if we could have gratitude for that person who created the dam, and how many of us have gratitude for Thomas Alva Edison who created bulbs? Nobody even thought about Thomas. We did this read in schools. So if we start acknowledging and appreciating people are in our lives, seen or unseen. These are unseen people. We haven't seen them in body. We have only heard of them. So acknowledging and appreciating people in our lives, seen or unseen, will create more abundance and happiness for us. So how many of us say that कि बुढ़ापे में सहारा चाहिए, बेटा होना चाहिए बुढ़ा? All of us, all Indians have that thinking.
आज तो नहीं।
अब डरने लगे हैं, but कहते थे I'm saying it why because
अब सबको बुढ़ापे में बेटी चाहिए।
हाँ, but क्यों चाहिए? क्यों चाहिए?
बेटा तो भाग जाता है ना। बेटे को तो बहुत
My mother says, "I'm not careful."
A son is a son. A son is a son till he gets a wife. A son is a son till he gets a wife. A daughter is daughter all your life.
But why do you say, what is the thought behind this? I want you to concentrate on the thought, on the
You always want
unspoken
somebody
thought.
to look after you.
Yeah, very good. And why?
You feel emotionally and physically dependent on you.
Absolutely. You have a fear that I'll get sick, I'll be alone, I might get sick, who will take care of me? So that unconscious embedded thought will produce what? Disease in the body. This most of the times I've seen a lot of my clients, my friends. There was a lady who was a friend of mine. She had 7 sons, and she used to say, "I have 7 sons, and they will take care of me very nicely in my old age." And she spent 7-8 years of her life being bedridden and nicely taken care of. Is that the life do we want? Nobody wants to be bedridden, but the unconscious thought that we are thinking will produce these kind of results. So my friends, be aware of what you are thinking. Because we are attracting dangerous things. If you are saying that, बुढ़ापे में मेरा कोई सहारा होना चाहिए, that means you will be disabled. You are declaring
Be
it.
aware of your thoughts.
Absolutely, you will be disabled. You for sure you're creating this for yourself, disability. And we don't want to create that. We want to be healthy. So let children, have their own life, whether it's a son or a daughter. Let's not be dependent on them. Let's create a healthy life. So how to create a healthy life? Anuja, how much time do I have?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Okay, quickly 5 minutes. I'll do a meditation full of affirmations and for health. So everybody can just close your eyes for. Is it comfortable for you to close your eyes? So just close your eyes for 5 minutes. Take a deep breath and relax. Just unfold your arms and relax. Just let yourself be free. Close your eyes.
Like this. Open your palms. Keep them open.
You can open your palms.
Open your
Just
palms.
be comfortable. Take a deep breath as per your convenience and breathe out all the diseases, all the unwanted emotions, negativity into the ground. Any disease, any health issue you might be facing, just breathe it out. Let it go. Take another deep breath and relax. Allow allow your body to relax. Loosen up your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Relax both your arms. Relax your feet. Just relax. Keep on breathing slowly and deeply. Allow your breathing to become slow and deep. Keep on relaxing more and more. As you're relaxing, all your body organs are relaxing. You're feeling calm and quiet. And as you relax, your body becomes healthier and healthier. As you listen to my voice, it takes you deeper and deeper into relaxation. Relax, relax, relax. Let go of all the thoughts, unwanted thoughts, emotions. Just relax. Relax, relax your body. Relax your brain, your heart, your lungs. Your internal organs are relaxing, becoming better and better, healthier and healthier. Let your whole body become healthier and healthier. As you are relaxing, your body is getting healthier and healthier. Your body cells are becoming younger and younger. Now repeat to yourself in your mind. Slowly repeat to yourself after me. I'm healthy and fit. I'm healthy and fit. I deserve a healthy body. I deserve a healthy body. I deserve to be always fit, energetic, full of vigor. I deserve to be dynamic. I deserve to be rich. I deserve to be prosperous. I am prosperous. I am healthy. I am fit. I am fine. So just take a moment and visualize your next 5 years, how your life will go. In the next 5 years, visualize yourself as successful, more successful businessman, healthier, happier in relationships. Your relationships are getting better. Whosoever you are discontent with, see that relationship being happier and healthier. All the areas of your life are now working fit and fine. You are healthy, happy, and people around you look up to you. You have an absolutely perfect, healthy body. Thank your body. Have gratitude for your body. I thank you, my body. I thank you for bringing me till this age. I'm able, fit, strong, healthy. I thank you. I thank this wonderful tool of God. I'm going to feed it healthy foods. I'm going to nurture it with exercise, yoga. I thank all my body organs for running so efficiently. Thank you, God, for giving me a wonderful body, mind and soul. Now take a deep breath. Fill yourself with positive energy. Feel healthy. I'm going to count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you can open your eyes, feeling refreshed, happy and better. 1, slowly coming out, feeling good, feeling better. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes, feel refreshed. So welcome back. Anybody would like to share the experience? How are you feeling?
Excellent.
Relaxed.
Relaxed?
Excellent.
Healthier?
Quite calm.
Quite calm.
And sleepy.
Any questions you would like to ask?
I will ask.
Of my shoulder. I wish you had come 10 minutes earlier. We were having a release session of the body.
Okay, you can do it on my own.
I will ask the question. What you did with us, is it called?
No, this is not what Reiki.
So what is it?
So Reiki is healing by hands. So what I talked about was 5 principles of Reiki which helps in healing. So Reiki, for me to completely train you in Reiki, it's a 2-day workshop.
No, I'm not asking you to train on me. I'm asking what is Reiki?
Reiki is made up of 2 words, which is Re means universe, Ki means energy. So it is universal life force energy. It is an energy that is present in the universe, just like oxygen. And we need to tune it to this energy into our body. If we tune it into our body through our chakras, it passes through our hands. So this energy, आपने देखा होगा कि mother जो है बच्चे के सर पे हाथ रखती है, बच्चा गिर जाता है, तो the mother will tap, with love. So that is a kind of Reiki. The touch, the loving touch that a mother gives to the child is a Reiki, is a form of Reiki, is a form of energy that she's transferring to the child. And most of the time, the child feels better. Unconsciously, she's using the energy of love for her child. But we do it in a, more technical way. If we learn this, so we can use this energy in a more technical way in
You
today's
have
time.
to do it with symbols and.
With symbols and all. So it's if you learn, but basically Reiki is nothing but energy that the universe always has. Like the sun has energy. So
What are the chakras?
there are 7 chakras. These are energy bodies and present in our body. So these are energy bodies, subtle energies that we cannot see.
You all can have Reiki for different reasons.
Not a bad idea. But at the same time, what you did with us, relax, you are feeling better. Means what is the difference between hypnotism and this kind of technique which you use?
See,
Is it akin, is it same, or it is? not
hypnosis,
different?
they are they produce the same result. What I did was a sort of a self-hypnosis. What I did was relaxation was a sample of self-hypnosis. Reiki is done through hands, like if I'm putting my hand, like you have a pain
Here.
here. So for this, I need to be more relaxed. She needs to be in more relaxed situation. So if I do this for half an hour, 15 minutes, and where we are not talking, when I'm not talking, and
It is like massaging.
no.
Energy.
Transferring of energy.
ऐसे किया, ऐसे करके energy चली गई.
So if I have to invoke and protect myself. So there is a whole process that I do before doing, but something like this. She'll have her eyes closed, and I'll be like having my eyes closed and putting my hands on in this cup-shaped palms and transferring that energy through my chakras into her body to get healed.
What do the chakras stand for? I mean, you have 7 chakras. What do you mean by these chakras?
See,
पैसों का
chakras.
चक्कर ऐसे बहुत सारा
Chakras are 7 chakras. They pertain to endocrine system. That is like you have heard of pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid. So here we have a pineal gland. It is the main chakra here. This connects to the spirituality. हम लोग टीका लगाते हैं Hindus. So we have a Ajna chakra. We are only seeing with our physical eyes. But this is Shiv Netra. We have an eye which is inside of us. I don't have enough time. I can do the experiment. But if if somebody focuses on the candle light, you will start seeing a light inside, and you can activate this chakra. This is the seat of intuition, but it activates the pituitary gland. Then we have a thyroid gland. So the thyroid gland and the Vishuddhi chakra is here. Vishuddhi chakra. And then we have the Anahat chakra, which is the heart chakra, which
So how do
controls.
you activate this chakra? This is with the candle, and this one?
No, it's a very long explanation. I have to spend at least 2 more hours explaining about the chakras. I can just give you an overview. It is like with a color, with a sky blue color, you can activate this chakra. This chakra has sky blue color. So with a sky blue color, you can activate this chakra. This
She is
has
wearing a sky blue.
yeah, and
I have great intuition also.
So, your color definition comes with a very simple word, Vib Gyor, if you remember.
Yeah,
Right
Vib
from
Gyor,
there,
rainbow, rainbow color.
violet
Yeah.
to going
Yeah.
down to red for your.
yeah, sir is right. So heart chakra is green in color. So if you wear green, people who are prone to heart attacks should wear green. And thymus gland is here. Then you have here the Manipur chakra, which is yellow in color. It impacts your liver, your pancreas, and then you have the which is Swadhisthana chakra, which is just below the navel, and the Mooladhara chakra is between the genitals and the anus. So that is red in color. This one is orange. This one is yellow. So Vibgyor, violet to red. So these are the 7 chakras. You can activate them by wearing the particular. We can measure which chakra is weak. You know, like if a person is not able to speak or somebody who is not very communicative, uska Vishuddhi chakra gets impacted. So a person with Vishuddhi chakra not very active should wear a blue color. We have stones also, stones, or you can have water therapy. You know, in a colored bottle, you can drink the water to activate the chakras to heal that particular organ.
Many of our Hindu saints, many of our Hindu gurus, they generally have a yellow dress. Then why do they have a yellow dress? Most of them.
That is for easy management.
Or maybe
One
cow, it has colors have their own. I don't know what was there because
Gerua. Gerua color.
Gerua,
Gerua color.
maybe energy,
Orange is
whatever.
That relates to one chakra in the body.
It's like renunciation
The
of
orange-
all the
orange color.
things you do.
Yeah, Christians will wear white. White has all the colors. You know, the bride will wear white. The white is very peaceful and soothing. So every culture has a prominent color for best known reasons, but they are all very logical. I would say.
Thank you.
And you wear jewelry at particular
Any more
points.
question?
Chakras को activate करेंगे पहनते हुए. Right, jewelry at every point.
Yeah, you are activating
It
the
is always there.
chakra.
Thank you.
Okay.
You are the one, Monica has a question. Mandika.
Sorry, can you be a little louder, please?
What are the biggest changes you started to experience in your life after practicing Reiki?
Yes, what changes will you experience?
I began my journey in 25 years back. So there were a lot of changes that I experienced. I grew in confidence. I never had confidence. Anuja remembers me. I was such a shy child. I was so scared of Bhaiya, you know, in school.
She is my friend since 5th standard.
So,
Fifth system.
so my confidence really grew with with Reiki.
Friend has not
And
changed.
and like I was able to heal my father through Reiki. He had a multi-organ failure, and the doctors were like had given up. But with Reiki, he was able to survive for 1.5 years more. You know, they had given up on him, and but he was, and he used to walk. Doctor used to be very surprised that how come he can walk, but he used to walk. And there are so many things I can talk about Reiki and the things that a client of mine who had learned Reiki had lost her car, and I told her to give Reiki to the chore. Can you believe that? She was giving Reiki to the chore, and I told her don't blame him for taking away your car. He must be feeling very bad about it. He must be feeling lack of money, and she got her car. You know, I have an acknowledge, and I mean, she says, I'm so grateful to you. I mean, a car coming back to her, but
That's the biggest
she
thing.
got her car back with Reiki. Then my mother, who has Parkinson, she's seen her and she's had Parkinson for last 18 years. Parkinson patients, the ones I've seen have not survived for more than 2-3 years. She survived for so long. My niece, who never used to study, you know, in 12th standard, she had just 70% before in January, and she scored like 92-93%. She's got into engineering. So, I mean, I can go on and
It seems
on.
your family, all the patients were at home.
Sorry?
Yes, all the patients were
Yes,
at
all
home.
my mother at home.
But is it because you believe it or is it because they also believe it?
I never believed in Reiki when I learned it. My teacher pushed me into it. He said, do it. I was very bored. I didn't like it. But I did it because I honored my teacher. And then I had to practice it for 21 days. And my eyes started feeling better. My body started feeling more active and energetic. I was very lazy. My body used to feel very lethargic. So,
Thank you.
so thank you
So
everyone.
who is the founder of Reiki?
See, there is a gentleman called Dr. Mikao Usui who is supposed to be, who's supposed to rediscover Reiki. Rediscover. Reiki has always been there. It's energy. Oxygen was always there. So Reiki has always been there.
He was a Japanese.
Yeah, Japanese, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.